안녕하세요. 오늘은 뉴카슬에 사는 낚시 프로 동생과 함께 갯바위 낚시를 합니다. 새벽 2시에 시드니에서 출발해서 4시에 만나 토마리 해드로 가서 무늬오징어 짬낚시를 하고 토마리 내셔널 파크로 이동합니다. 버섯길을 지나 비치가 동글동글한 돌길을 조심히 통과하고 산으로 올라가 조금 하이킹을 하면 오늘의 목적지 포인트에 도착합니다. 여기는 제가 6여 년 전에 마지막으로 왔었던 곳인데 그때도 오자 몇 마리 잡았었던 좋은 기억이 있습니다. 오늘 또 좋은 조과가 있을 거라고 생각됩니다.
갈 수 있으면.
박혔나? 오.
아이고 팔이야. 아 이거는 없어 안 되겠다.
그래도
자 진실의 방으로. 아야야야야. 진실의 방으로 가보자.
그래, 4자 후반이네. 그래도 48 정도 나오네.
네.
아깝다.
아.
2cm 모자라네.
아이고.
그래도 오늘 월척 2개 있어. 힘쓴다 형님. 호호호.
뭔데 실버가? 실버 느낌 나더라 이게. 뜰채 해줄까요? 뜰채 멀리 있다. 아니 낚싯대 부러져요. 뜰채 해드릴게요.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless. I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? 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 Then will you get